Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to automatically size ducts in Autodesk Revit using Dynamo and Python script. So this method is based on airflow in LPS and it can save a lot of time compared to manual duct sizing. Normally, when we design HVAC system, we calculate duct sizes manually. For example, we take airflow, assume velocity, then calculate duct size. But this process is time consuming, repetitive, and sometimes error prone. So, in this video, I created a simple automation using Dynamo and Python. This script will read duct airflow from Revit, apply the velocity method, automatically update duct width and height. Here you can see a simple duct system. Each branches each branches having 250 mm, 250 lps. The main duct carries higher airflow. Now let's look at the dynamo graph. Go to manage, like dynamo. So dynamo script has already been created. So just click on open and select our dynamo script. We use categories ducts, all element of category, and get parameter for flow. Then we pass this data into a Python script. Inside Python script, we calculate duct size using this concept. Convert airflow to cubic meter per second, assume velocity, calculate area, then calculate width based on a fixed height. Finally, convert units and update duct parameters in Revit. Now I will run the script. So you can see that duct sizes are updated automatically based on airflow. This saves a lot of manual work. because of some errors, because of some errors it's showing, it's asking some delete elements. But this automation helps to reduce design time, improve accuracy, and standard duct sizing. But this is not working. Now it's working only for 200 and 250 liter per second. Mm, In upcoming video, I will upload fully function script and video to this YouTube. So this is how we can automate deck sizing using Dynamo and Python. So in upcoming class, I will upload proper script with example. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.